Hello, my friends. It's Hal Elrod. You might know me as the best-selling author of The Miracle Morning, and I am absolutely thrilled to announce that I'll be the keynote speaker at ADPICON 2023, happening from October 27th to the 29th on the Riverwalk in San Antonio, Texas. Now, ADPICON is the premier real estate investing conference in the United States, hosted by Active Duty Passive Income, or ADPI, a fantastic organization dedicated to empowering active duty military personnel, veterans, and their families to achieve financial freedom through real estate investing and other passive income strategies. Now, I am honored to be part of this incredible event where I'll share my insights on personal development and the strategies that have transformed the lives of literally millions of people around the world. My goal is to help you unleash your full potential so you can create lasting wealth and live a life of true fulfillment. Now, at ADPICON 2023, you'll not only hear from me, but you'll also have the opportunity to learn from top experts in real estate, finance, and passive income strategies. This event is designed to equip you with the knowledge and the tools that you need to succeed in your financial journey, whether you're just starting out or you're already an experienced investor. So mark your calendars now for October 27th to 29th and join me at ADPICON 2023 for a life-changing experience. If you're serious about financial freedom and creating a better future for yourself and your family, you don't want to miss this event. Visit adpicon.com to register today, and I'll see you there. Let's make this the best ADPICon yet and work together to achieve financial freedom and personal growth. Take care, and I'll see you in October.